We use radar technology to image what's underneath the surface of snow in nature. Think Outside can really make a difference for the hydropower industry by giving them a spatially distributed data about how much water is really in the mountains. Our radar technology can really help them manage their production to a much better way. The hydropower industry needs to know what is actually in that bank of snow, because that bank of snow is going to translate into water. And from that water, you fill in your basins and you produce your electricity. Our sensors are small, durable, lightweight. It holds battery conditions into 12 hours and minus 20 degrees. You can fit it on a number of different tools like skis, drones. You can hold it in your hand. This makes it more versatile, and you can also transport it into areas that are maybe not as easy to get to. Our clients are first and foremost the hydropower industries that are related to mountainous snow and ice. Spinning off from that, we also have infrastructure, governmental bodies, communes, wants to have infrastructure, safety and hazard. We also been approached by the insurance companies, because obviously if you have flooding, you will have damages. Luminate has taught us new ways of thinking, new ways of seeing that we were maybe not seeing ourselves. We've been introduced to radar specialists that we would maybe never have been introduced to. The entire team is stronger. We're more focused. We have better understanding of what we're doing and where we're heading. So much of our world's energy is based on hydropower. Think Outside can really help the change to a much more productive and efficient hydropower industry, because we have much better ways of capturing the true water potential of the snow in the mountains.